Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are continuing on the journey of discovering boy groups, and as you can see from the title, I am a girl group stan. That is basically the only groups in K-pop that I listen to as girl groups, except for the occasional NCT song or if I find a random one. But today we're going to be reacting to ATEEZ. I don't think I've listened to any of their songs before. I know that they were on Kingdom, maybe, and they kind of got more popular from that, but I have no idea. So we're just gonna go through and see what their kind of most popular, most recent music videos are, react to them. I'm gonna give them a rating from 1 to 10, 10 being amazing song, put it on repeat, 1 being the worst song I've ever heard, 5 is just an average okay song, and I'll let you know how I feel about them after each one. So we are gonna start. I recognize the song Wonderland. Oh, apparently I've watched Thanks. I don't remember that. Oh, they have a lot too. Okay, let's just start. Let's again filter by view count. We'll just start with the first one. So Wonderland, alright. So they're under KQ Entertainment. They have almost 2 million subscribers. I've never heard of KQ, but cool. Oh, I do know Say My Name. Say my name, say my name. That's the only part that I know. I don't actually know the song. Okay, let's get into it. ATEEZ Wonderland, and woohoo. Okay. Oh, I like the notch. How are they gonna come and just yelling at me like that? Okay, pre-chorus. Instrumental dropped a little bit. His face. Something about... Okay, wait, let's go back. Something about his facial expressions in this little clip I don't really like. I feel like there's nothing going on. He's just kind of moving his mouth. But I feel like ATEEZ is also known for their facial expressions and going really ham. And I feel like I've heard some people talk about how new groups are doing that now and they don't like it because it's just too much. But let's see. Apparently not with this guy. So let's see. Watch that again. Yeah, his eyes are kind of dead. He's just staring directly straight at the camera. What is this? Oh. Okay. Is this still the pre-chorus? Maybe? Why are the verses way more hyped than the chorus? Hey, well, they have 2 great rappers so far, unless that's the same guy, I have no idea. Same guy as the beginning. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Chained up. Huh. Okay, I guess that was the chorus. I guess it makes sense. If you have really hyped verses, you kind of want to slow it down for the chorus, but... Yeah, his... Okay. I don't think I like this chorus. Like, it just sounds like a pre-chorus because there's nothing happening. Okay, no facials, guy. Got vocals, though. Okay, hopefully this builds to, like, a last final chorus. Okay. Oh, please don't end. Please breathe. There's something else. Oh. Okay. Is that it? What is that flag? Maybe that's... Oh, ATEEZ, I think, maybe? Okay. Alright, so... That was ATEEZ Wonderland. Yeah, you guys probably, again, can assume my thoughts based off of what I was kind of saying during the music video. The verses were great. I really liked the rap verses. I don't know if it was two different members. I don't know. I think maybe he changed hair colors or something, but whoever was rapping in the beginning and then the second verse, I liked that and that instrumental part. The pre-chorus was good. Just the chorus I did not like. I feel like it was almost like too chill, too... like, okay, in my TXT video I talked about songs being flat and kind of being an up and down when you're listening to music to keep you interested in stuff. This one definitely had an up and down, coming from the verses into the pre-chorus into the chorus, but it wasn't as much. It would feel like it was kind of like a slow incline. I guess like this would be like the verse and then pre-chorus and then chorus and then verse went back up again. And that's fine. Kind of like songs like Oh My God by Idol. The chorus is chill. It's not as like intense, I guess. But this song didn't really like. I don't think I would listen to it again. So ATEEZ Wonderland 5, again, keep in mind, is an average okay song. I'm probably going to give this one like a 3. Maybe a 4. Okay, I'll give it a 4. I'm going to give it a 4. I think that one rapper guy definitely saved it. Also, the guy who was just giving dead eyes also kind of brought it down a bit. Like, I feel like I've heard ATEEZ is known for their facial expressions and stage presence and stuff, and I just did not see that from basically any of the members except for the one rapper guy. Like, you can see him right here in this little thumbnail clip. Like, he's making that face. So, like, I feel like everyone else... Maybe this is just the music video where they... we're not emoting as much for some reason, but yep, those are my thoughts. 4 out of 10. Let's go on to the next one. Let's watch. Have they released anything recently? When all I'm seeing is like a year ago. Maybe they released something. Oh, apparently I watched Thanks too. Oh, I think I watched Thanks and I didn't like it either. Oh, they have one that came out 5 months ago. Oh, I've heard about Pirate King. Okay, let's watch I'm the One. Their most recent, I think. It's the one showing up 5 months ago. So let's watch this one and see what we think. Oh, I saw 17. Wait, did I see BTOB? Wait a minute. What? ATEEZ? Wait, I have to go back in. 7 seasons. KQ produce Edinary. KQ original. ATEEZ. But what is this? That's not Block B, is it? Is Block B now under KQ? I don't know what company they were under before. But are they even like active now? Oh, it is Block B. Huh. Interesting. I'll have to check out if they've released anything recently too. So I like their songs. Okay. Fireworks. Is that the name of the song? Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh, y'all know how I feel about that autotune. Ugh. I don't like it. Okay. This. Oh, what? No. How? Why? This one. What is he doing? That little? Right here. Ooh, stop. Ah! Okay. Ooh! This is the Dead Eyes guy, I can tell. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh. No. No, I don't like this chorus again either. Ooh, that move! What was that? This one. Oh, I hated that. Why is he not doing anything? Move your face. Ooh, see, like that. Okay. This is the post-chorus hook section, I'm guessing. I feel like you had such a hype chorus and post-chorus, you can't go back to this like simple instrumental. Like, yes, up and downs, but I feel like the transition wasn't there. I like this part. Ooh, that looks scary. Ooh, yeah, that move, hate it. Yeah, this chorus, I feel like maybe it's part of the pre-chorus still. And then this is the chorus. I just, like, obviously, like, they're hyped, they're dancing, like, the song is, like, louder, more things are happening, but, like, I just don't feel it, you know? Why do they have a tree, too? What is every... Ooh. TXT had a tree, Dreamcatcher has a tree, G-Friend had a tree. Oh! Are those real vocals in the back, though? Ooh! Ooh. Oh, no, 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 no. That move? Reminds me of BTS Not Today. Okay. Huh? Huh? Oh. I like this instrumental, whatever that sound is. Okay. Alright, so again, I kind of am just talking through my reactions so y'all can kind of get a gist of what I feel about the song. It was okay. Again, the only parts that I really liked were like the rap verses of that one guy, or it was two, I don't know, whatever, someone let me know in the comments. But yeah, I just like the rap verses, the chorus. There was an up and down, but it still kind of felt like empty, or like it wasn't like impactful enough, you know? I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna give this song a 3. I don't think that guy's rap verses could save this song, just because the chorus, 3. Alright, let's see what else they have. So that was I'm the One, right? Let's react to... what if I click on the entertainment? Do they have an ATEEZ playlist? Nope. Oh, yeah, they do. Oh, but it's gonna be full of like other things that I don't want to see. Okay. Let's do... I think we can do 2 more. Let's do Answer. I feel like I've heard this one before. Or maybe a clip of it or something. The name Answer sounds familiar. Okay. I'm assuming this is not the instrumental of the song, just like a little intro. Ooh, One other thing that really annoys me, I've seen it a lot on TikTok, and usually I don't see it a lot in K-pop music videos, but the lip syncing where they barely move their mouths and like, if you're gonna lip sync, then it has to look like you're singing the song. You can't just be like, they move. Ugh. Okay, let's see. That's just something that annoys me. I don't know, but yeah. Oop. He didn't even say those last words. Okay, Dead Ice guy. He's getting all the high notes, so I'm assuming he's like the main vocal. Ooh. This reminds me of Maybe there is 2 rappers. Yeah, I think so. But that boat reminds me of Which is Sonia Butterfly and One of These Nights by Red Velvet, I think. Oh, this chorus, I'm just not feeling it. Oh, why? Put that hump just right into the camera like that. Okay. So this is the kind of like transition between the chorus and verse that I was kind of looking for in the last song, I think. See, there you go. He's lip syncing properly that time. I feel like the energy doesn't, again, like for the chorus, it's not getting higher. I feel like maybe just like the bass is kind of louder. Or like the instrumental is louder. But... Ah, the butterfly! Wait, but they're not in Big Hit. There's a Hive now. Okay, this transition is good as well. Instead of the post-chorus, they added this little, I'm getting like the bridge part almost, I guess. Okay. Yeah, this the chorus is just too like low energy. Even like the post-chorus, the energy doesn't go higher. Like it doesn't need to, but it's not making me like want to keep listening to the song, you know? Okay. 8 of them, I guess, if I counted correctly. Oh, another one wearing that masky thing. I'm assuming those are like teasing their upcoming comebacks, but this was from like over a year ago, so I don't really know what song they're teasing. So that song was okay. I think last one I gave like a 3. This one felt like their singing was like a little bit more emotional. Like I wasn't watching with the captions on, but it seemed more of like an emotional song. I think that was Answer. Yeah. Vocals were good. They didn't really show that much of the dancing. Music video was fine, other than the little lip syncing thing that kind of made me mad. It was pretty good. Again, nothing really in the song kept me like interested or kept my attention to like make me want to keep on listening. So I think I would also give this one a 3, maybe 3.5. Because the transition, okay, no, we'll give it a 4 because I did like the transitions that they did between the first post-chorus and the second verse, and then after the second chorus into the little bridge section. I did like those transitions, so we'll give it a 4. I forget how many I've reacted to. This video is like 20 minutes long, so we'll do one more. Inception. I feel like I've heard the name of this song as well. So we'll react to this one, and then we'll be done with ATEEZ for the day. Let me know any other songs that I missed or that you guys really like, and I'll react to them in a future video, so leave them down in the comments. That little vocal thing in the back sounds familiar to me. This part. Sounds familiar. Oh! Ah! My team did a cover of this song. Maybe that's why. Why is your bed diagonal in your room? It makes no sense. Okay. Energy is building. Ooh. Something about that one member. Huh. Oh. Okay. I like this part. Do I though? Chorus, post-chorus, that little dance breaky part still felt kind of like empty, not high energy enough. At least for like where I thought it was going with the pre-chorus. It's just like not really what I'm expecting from like a chorus. Yeah, like this part. It's a good little bridge transition part. I don't know what's coming next, but okay. Okay, high note. Ooh. I didn't like that move. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, so this song, what was it, Inception? Yeah, I don't know, I've never heard it before. I think maybe the post-chorus where they're doing the that part when they're like and then they do the hip move. That part might have been a little bit familiar to me, but the rest of the song I have no idea. This song, again, it was okay, but it's just like all of these songs are just okay. You know, it's like none of them are like, oh my god, this song is so good, like I want to add this to my playlist and listen to it right now, like again and again and again. And maybe they're just the kind of songs, maybe I'm just like, again, like I listen to pretty much only girl groups, so maybe it's a thing where if I listen to it more, I'll like it more. But just based off of first impressions, even like TXT and ATEEZ, like their songs don't go anywhere. And if they do go somewhere, it's not where I want it to go. So yeah, this song, it was, okay, we'll give this one a 5. It was an okay song. The Dead Eyes guy didn't show up as much, but the rap verses also weren't as strong, I feel like, as their other songs. Not that every song has to have a strong rap section, but those were the parts that I liked in their previous songs. So this one didn't have okay, there were rap sections and I did like them, but I feel like they weren't as like impactful or as like, oh my gosh, this is really good, as their other rap sections. So we'll leave it at that. 5. I think the highest I rated their songs is this one out of 5. So that is going to be it for my ATEEZ reaction. Check out my TXT reaction. I reacted to a bunch of their music videos for the first time as well, so you guys can see what I thought about that. And more boy group reactions will be coming. Again, let me know if there's any other ATEEZ songs that I'm missing, any other ones you think that I might like better. Leave them down in the comments below. My Instagram, YouTube, Dance Team's YouTube, where you guys can check out the video or our cover for Inception, will be linked down below. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.